Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. We are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. Here you can register for free, and if you do that, you can receive daily free market updates, Elliott-Wave updates across different asset classes: oil, stocks, cryptocurrencies, gold, Nasdaq, S&P 500 are all included. Today we would like to take another look at a cryptocurrency, and one that is particularly interesting is Polygon, because here it could indeed be that now a bottom is established. Our trading area worked out very well and the price really reversed in this support zone that we already communicated here on our website to subscribers in the last few weeks. So let's take a look at that together here. And we start on the 2-day chart. The 2-day chart gives you a good overview also about expected all-time high targets for Polygon. We take a look at the 2-day chart here, and you can clearly see that the market formed a wave 1. Sort of here, a green wave 1 in the bull run. In the last bull run that was early 2021 was the actual first wave of this long-term bullish market. You can see that the market then corrected in an ABC structure. It's a so-called expanded flat pattern in which the B wave did overshoot the previous high and the C wave ended below the low of the A wave. That's actually a perfect pattern. Cryptocurrencies, especially altcoins, like to form these patterns. And the market then formed a long-term low in this trading area on the long-term chart in 2022. Matic or Polygon was one of the first altcoins that actually formed a bear market low and did not create a new bear market low in 2023. Many other altcoins did that. In my opinion, that shows the strength of this coin. We are then now dealing here with a third wave. So the price is actually rallying in wave 3 already. And we're going to take a look at the shorter time frame in a minute, but you can already see here that within this third wave, which is typically the strongest wave in an uptrend, third wave in Elliott-Wave theory, we learn or we know that a third wave is typically the strongest element of a trend and typically the wave that we want to be trading to just find entry points with a great reward to risk ratio, and then we just let it run in the third wave. Of course, it's not going to be a straight line like this. We are likely going to see a very bumpy ride. So we're going to experience a bumpy ride as the price goes higher, and it will not be without setbacks. However, so far the structure looks good. We then had another wave 1 to the upside highlighted here in magenta. That was wave 1 of wave 3. The wave 3 also has 5 waves. It peaked in the middle of 2022. Then another expanded flat, basically what we had here in magenta, just in blue. And it bottomed in 2023 in this wave 2. That was sort of October, November time. And currently our assumption is in our primary scenario that this wave 2 actually bottomed. That means that we are now entering the third wave of the third wave, which is typically the strongest wave in a cycle. The $2.89 level acts as crucial resistance before Matic or Polygon can move to new all-time highs and can get closer to the all-time high targets, which are defined between $6.80 and $10.80. So let's take a look now at the shorter time frame. And here you see the chart, which begins when the magenta wave 2 completed in October last year. Since then, we've seen a 5-wave move to the upside, which peaked in November last year. An A wave down of a larger correction, another overshooting B wave. So Matic apparently likes to form corrective price structures. And then a C wave to the downside. So Matic likes these overshooting B waves and these expanded flats. So an A, B, C structure. The C wave was a 5-wave move, and the price landed exactly in our trading area that we defined previously and communicated. You can also see here that the price reversed in several of our trading areas that we communicated to our subscribers. So here again, in the latest one, the price dipped into this zone basically exactly reached the 69-cent level here, 68.5, 69 cents, the 61.8 retracement level, and the price reacted and is now moving. We would like to leave the trading area active, which means we do not mark them as closed or complete in case the price dips back into the trading area. That can of course happen. It's technically possible that another lower low is formed only below basically 60.5 cents. We would have to change our opinion and perspective about this chart, but the primary scenario suggests that a third wave is now unfolding, but obviously it could be that the wave 2 is going to be reset a little bit lower, still within this support area. And if we see another dip into this trading area, that dip might be used for entering some more positions potentially. And yeah, it's a bit too early to say if the third wave has really started, but it's a good start. And in the next step, the price should break above 98.3 cents, which is the crucial resistance here on the 2-hour chart. No, it's actually the 4-hour chart. That's basically the wave 1 high that formed in November 2023. Yeah, so that's my update about Polygon. Hope you enjoyed the update. Make sure that you follow the link in the video description. It will take you to dailymarketupdate.com. Here you can register to receive daily free Elliott-Wave updates. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.